Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Etoro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Etoro website from which you can log into your account by clicking on the login button and then using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can expand the menu icon from the top left corner. Once the menu is expanded, just scroll down and then click on the settings button. Once you click on settings, go ahead and click on account and you will be able to find your email address. Just click on the change button alongside your email address and you will be asked to enter the new email address that you want to use. Just type in your desired new email address and then tap on the done button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has just been sent to the new email address that you entered. Just type in your verification code that you have received and click on the Activate Now button, and now your email address will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Etoro. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.